Welcome everybody. Today we've got Coptur, C-O-P-T-U-R, minus his rotors and tail. But sort of like yesterday with the Coptur, this is he was a bad guy. He's sort of wobbly on me. He still stands up, but he's leaning back. Not gonna maintain proper posture. Looks, yeah, as you can see, most of his chrome is worn off his arm. On this side, it's come fairly clear. And I remember playing with him pretty regularly. He came with tail rotors and main rotors. And let's say just probably the simplest transformation of any of the GoBots. Just boom, just straighten his legs out and move his arms out of his face. Solid die-cast chunk right there, and he's a hefty boy too, so it's got a good bit of metal in him. Of course, that with the transformation, his legs bend the wrong way, but still, he seemed like he was a pretty main antagonist in the show too. I can't really. I'm about to get on somewhere I can buy that and watch it. It's been so long I can remember, but I've never failed to be. I've always been disappointed whenever I've gone back and looked at something I thought was that cool when I was a kid. I'll never forget. I watched probably 20 years ago. I bought the Transformers movie on DVD, and I was severely disappointed with it. I don't know that I've even seen it since I've been in the movie theater. But anyway, that's that's Cop-tur, and I think seems like he was just like a goofy, bumbling oaf type guy. I don't think he was a serious threat to he wasn't like a great warrior or anything, but he's just sort of comic relief to a certain degree from what I remember. Very little though. I wouldn't swear that in court. But anyways, folks, thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.